Meralco, tinalo ang kampeon ng Japan B.League na Utsunomiya Brex, 97-86, nitong linggo ng gabi sa Dubai. Sa solidong laro ng kanilang import trio na sina Glynn Watson, Jordon Varnado, at John Egbunu, at may kasamang mainit na suporta mula kina Chris Banchero at Cliff Hodge, nakuha ng Bolts ang mahalagang panalo sa kanilang huling laban sa Group B. Tig-17 puntos ang binuhos nina Banchero, Watson, at Varnado para sa Meralco. Si Cliff Hodge naman, halos hindi nagmintis, 16 points on 7 of 8 shooting. Habang si Egbunu ay may double-double na 12 points at 13 rebounds. Umentra ang Bolts sa ikalawang yugto na parang kidlat, outscoring the Brex, 30-20, para kunin ang 12-point lead sa halftime. Hindi na nila binitiwan ang momentum hanggang dulo. Sa format ng BCL Asia na top 8 ang papasok sa knockout stage mula sa 19 field, ang panalo ng Meralco kontra Utsunomiya ay halos nagselyo na ng kanilang quarterfinal spot. Lalo pat winless ang Zhejiang Guangxia Lions ng China sa Group A. Hihintayin na lamang ng Meralco ang draw para malaman kung sino ang kanilang makakatapat sa quarterfinals. Sa ngayon, ang focus magpahinga, maghanda, at ituloy ang laban para sa Pilipinas. Para sa Utsunomiya Brex, hindi sapat ang 20 points ni former Tall Black standout Isaac Fotu para iligtas ang kanilang unang laban sa torneo. Fresh pa sila mula sa pagkapanalo ng B.League title noong May 27 laban sa Ryukyu Golden Kings.
Comes up with it and he goes for a quick layup. Chris Utsunomiya just maybe closed down, finds Cliff Hodge, and all of a sudden it's a 3-point ball game. Now Brex want to run. Pinangunahan to give them the lead, and he does just that. Pinangunahan wins. Now Egbunu. Oh my goodness! Nagpasabog. Run. Utsunomiya finds Banchero. Nice pass goes in, and it's showtime. Meralco basketball. Still lead by 9. Within range, top play right in the face of Takuchi. Take on real isolation time. This guy is cooking at the moment. By 13 against the defending champions. Amazon goes in, throws it down with 2 hands. And the Bolts trying to match up against Fotu. Tough shot. Somehow, someway. That was tough with a capital. A lot of problems so far here for Brex's defense. Gonna make this now a 10-point ball game. Did the double team need to come over? And here comes Egbunu. Oh my lord! Well, no need for help side defense. Watanabe now back in the lineup here for the Brex. Deep 3, and again, good night. Magandang as they say in the Philippines. Varnado gets it inbound. Final seconds. Deep 3, and oh baby, JV with the dagger. Finds Watanabe back to Takuchi. Did he get it off in time? Count it. I think he did.